So let's do some lower body strength. And here we do squat. I really like the other variant of lower body strength for motocross. The step up, where you do like this with dumbbell in each hand, go up. This is very good to the core. It gives you balance, brain body connection, what we all need in motocross. When I do real squat here, Olympic, it's not Olympic, but powerlifting squat is pure strength we are after here. Of course, there's also a lot of nervous stimulants. That means strength and brain body connection, but not with the balance, focus, and the core advantage we have with the one leg at the time thing. So let's see. I haven't done squat for a month or two, so let's see how that goes. I did 12 repetitions, and I'm supposed to stop 2 repetitions before failure. So I think that was around it. Normally, earlier I always went to failure every single time, but that's not actually the best way to do it, because your recovery takes too long before you're ready to attack again. And actually, it's for volume point of view, it's better to stop a little before, so you can have total number of repetitions you actually have in a day, or the more kilo you actually lifted. If you multiply sets, reps and kilos, will be larger, and that's the one and single thing that has the most influence on strength and power and hypertrophy muscle size. Thank you for watching.